Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today we're looking at some more sounds of English. Pronunciation. Today we're looking at these two sounds. T and th. T for tie or time. And this sound. Th for three or thin. For this sound, the tongue is at the top of the mouth just behind the teeth. Tin, time. For this sound, the tongue is in between the top and bottom teeth and just sticking out. Three, think. T and th. Have a look at Uncle Geoff's board for some more words to practice. Okay, repeat these words after me. Thin, tin, thank, tank, thick, tick, three, tree. On this side of the board, the sound is at the end of the word. On this one, heath, heat, forth, fought, path, part, north, naught. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now look at some more words, this time in sentences. Okay, here are 5 sentences. I'm going to read out each one. I want you to tell me, do you hear this word or this word? Do you hear this one or this one? This or this? Which word do you hear? Ready? Number 1. I never knew what she thought. Number 2. The team was very popular. Number 3, we kept them in a tin box. Number 4, which path are you going to take? And number 5, I don't like the heath. Okay, which word did you hear? Let's have a look. The first one. Number 1, I never knew what she thought. I never knew what she thought. Number 2, the team was very popular. The team was very popular. Number 3, we kept them in a tin box. A tin box. We kept them in a tin box. Number 4, which path are you going to take? Which path are you going to take? And number 5, I don't like the heath. I don't like the heath. So there we are. English pronunciation, t and th. They are easy peasy. Thank you for watching. Tell your friends, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.